What is up, you guys? Today we are doing greens. Greens is something that doesn't happen very often in the makeup community, but I wanted to give it a whirl. I have never messed with greens, and this look turned out way better than I thought that it would, and I am so happy with this. So if you guys want to know how I did it, go ahead and keep on watching. Do not forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can get notifications whenever I post a video, because sometimes I forget to post videos like I have the last couple of weeks, but I'm gonna try and get back on the game. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna dip into my James Charles palette, and this nude color up top I'm just going to take and I'm going to put all over my lids. Now, going back into the James Charles palette, I'm going to dip into Flashback Mary, which is the white color. I'm going to put that over the top of it. Dipping into the James Charles palette, there is this lime green color down in the bottom, and I'm going to take a Morphe M573. And I'm just going to put this in the crease and bring it all the way up to the brows. I'm going to take Jaclyn Hill's Potion color from the Dark Magic, and I'm going to mix it with the Hunter Green color in the James Charles palette, which is right next to the lime green one. So I'm lightly tapping into Potion, and then I'm going to tap more into the Hunter Green color. And I'm just going to blend this onto the outside and up just a little bit. So my fist just almost died, so that's fun. So taking that Hunter Green color from the James Charles palette, I'm now just only going to take that color on an R39 brush, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Going in with the JH40 brush, I am going to dip back into the Dark Magic palette, and I'm going to pick this kind of, it's more a navy blue green color, but it's called Inside Job, and I am just going to take a little bit on the brush, and I'm just going to darken the outer corner and kind of in towards the corner, just to give it a little better look. I am only using this palette because it has the true gold color that I want with this look, so bear with me. So I'm going to go into this shade right here. I think it is the perfect gold color for this look that I'm trying to go for. Okay, so this eye has quite a bit of fallout, as you can see, and I don't want to bore you guys with my face makeup routine, so I am going to just go ahead and kind of do this like an Instagram one. I'm going to show you the product, I'm going to fast forward it, and then we're going to move on, and then I'll finish up the rest of the eyes, and then we will be done. I'm going to mix Inside Job in the Hunter Green palette from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I took a little bit of Flashback Mary just to bring it down just a little bit more and even it out a little bit because it was a little harsh looking, but we got the job done. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Volumina slash Paradise from L'Oreal. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and then we are going to decide a lipstick because what the hell color of lipstick do I use with this? Okay, so my mascara is drying. So I'm gonna pick out a lipstick, and I want to do red, but I feel like that's too Christmassy, and Christmas is a long ways away. So I have this brown color, I have this baby pink color. I don't know. I think I want to do the baby pink. If you watch any of my videos, you know I'm terrible at applying lipstick, so this probably looks like shit on camera, but just gonna roll with it. I do like this pink color though. It's just a weird formula compared to the other liquid cat suits that I have. I don't know. And you guys, I did not think this look would turn out this good. Like, the makeup gods were definitely with me today, and I am grateful for that. Like, I am obsessed with this look. Like, green might be my new favorite color. Like, so yeah, I really love the greens. I didn't think I would, but like, I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and allowing me to have a little break from YouTube and coming back. And I will be back with more videos, and I hope you guys appreciate this. Bye guys.